How to turn on or turn off S Pen handwriting detection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and you will see handwriting is here. Click on handwriting. After click on handwriting, so you will see pen detection is here. If you want to turn off pen detection, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see pen detection is turned off. If you want to turn on pen detection, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see pen detection is turned on. You will turn on or turn off pen detection from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off S Pen handwriting detection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.